From left to right, Rashidi, Nafis, and Aisha. Welcome to TVET Center University Malaysia Perlis. So, what is TVET Center Unimap? TVET is the Technical and Vocational Education and Training, TVET, Center of University Malaysia Perlis, Unimap. It was established in 2021 to provide technical and vocational education and training programs to meet the needs of the industry and the community. TVET Unimap offers. The center is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and equipment to support its training and education programs. This includes workshops, laboratories, 3D printer and computer-aided design (CAD) facilities. What do you know about biodegradable?
Biodegradable refers to materials' ability to break down and decompose naturally to non-toxic substance. Example 1. Bioplastic. Bioplastic is the common used in TVET Unimap like PLA for 3D print purpose.
What is PLA that we were talking about? So, polylactic acid, PLA, filament is a recyclable, natural thermoplastic polyester that is derived from renewable resources such as cornstarch or sugarcane. The filament is biodegradable under certain conditions with high heat capacity and high mechanical strength. It can be melted without significant damage and does not emit toxins or fumes.
How? So, 3D print causes many waste that come from bioplastic, which is PLA. TVET Unimap handle the waste by separate the waste materials in the specialized dry box and then paying the contractor from other company to recycle the waste.
How TVET handle waste? PLA scraps, separate waste, and give to the contractor. When paying to the contractor, it's wasting money. So, for better ways to handle the waste is by
1. Build or invest a machine that can recycle PLA waste. 2. Have a collaboration with another university or industries for PLA waste handling. 3. Conduct a workshop to educate students about sustainable practices.
Untuk pengetahuan yang biodegradable ni adalah material yang boleh di recycle balik menjadi barang lain lah. Contohnya macam packaging, jadi plastik lain, kegunaan lain lah kira. So PLA ni adalah salah satu dia lah. Dan ABS ni bukan barang PLA, macam PLA. Kira dia tidak boleh di biodegradable lah. Okay, macam tu. So aku punya konsep lah, aku punya suggestion, Unimap ni kena ada satu mesin untuk recycle balik PLA tu ataupun material-material lain lah yang boleh biodegradable. So contoh mesin yang sini lah, contoh mesin lah. So mesin ni dia akan masukkan PLA waste ataupun buangan PLA tu lah, dia akan panaskan. So PLA ni dia tak boleh, dia ada temperature tertentu lah untuk dia cairkan kan. So mesin ni boleh lah kita setkan temperature untuk PLA tu dan guna balik untuk recycle balik dan guna balik lah PLA tu. So dia tidak ni lah, untuk sustainability dia PLA ni antara yang okay lah. Lepas tu next bukan pasal mesin ni, walaupun Unimap tak ada mesin ni, kita boleh buat kolaborasi. Sebab mesin ni sebenarnya UTHM dah study benda ni. Mereka pun tak tahu bina ke tak. So kita boleh collab lah dengan UTHM ke untuk buat satu mesin ni.